Dear students and parents, welcome to the Test Prep Card channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about the counseling process for this examination called as Karnataka Common Entrance Test. So the counseling process is a step-wise process. First, you need to go through the document verification, and there is a registration for the same, and then there is a counseling fee payment, and finally your seat allotment is there, and choice filling and locking of it takes place subsequently. So this is a 5-step process, if you can see it as the process of counseling at the Karnataka Common Entrance Test. Now let me just brief you up about this process. The counseling procedure for KCET will be based on the rank scored by the candidates in the main exam. So the candidates can score the in the main examination the various ranks, and counseling, choice filling and seat allocation of the KCET 2020 also takes place. So seat allotment and choice filling will be done online, and candidates must visit the official website and fill in their choice of college and course. So this is what the candidates need to do. They visit the official website and fill in their choice of college and course. Seat allotment and choice filling will be done online. Now, Karnataka Common Entrance Test. Step 1 is filling and submission of KCET application form 2021. Then there is step 2, which is admit card, hall ticket. So all of these steps you would have already followed, and you can refer to my other video that I've made on the application process itself. But this video is about counseling process. So then you appear for this examination, which is step 3. Then there is step 4, when the release of the question paper and the answer key takes place, and you actually tally it with yours. Now then there is a step 5, which is the declaration of the KCET 2021 result. Will take somewhere in the July later part, or perhaps in August, if it's not disrupted or delayed due to COVID-19 anymore. Now, what you need to see is that beginning of KCET 2021 counseling process is the step 6. So there we emphasize upon the counseling process now at the step 6 itself. Then there is submission of KCET counseling fee, that is step 7 of the whole examination. And then there is step 8, which is commencement of KCET 2021 admission process after once the counseling is finished or over or completed. Now the counseling document verification, the next step after registration, as I told, in KCET counseling is the document verification process, which is of utmost importance. Now candidates have to bring the required documents in original with one set of attested copies as well. So attested is self-attested would do, and 2 passport size photographs for the verification process. Preferably the photographs that you used for filling up the application form themselves would be the best option, right? Now, an acknowledgement card and a verification slip are issued to the candidates after the verification process ends, and after the verification of documents is done, candidates' eligibility under different criteria is also verified on the same day, right? So you need not worry about anything, and a user ID and password will be given to you, and then you have successfully cleared the verification round, right? Now, counseling, choice filling and seat allocation. This is the next step. Seat allocation and choice filling will be done online, and candidates must visit the official website, of course, and fill their choice of college and course. And the ID and password that you were provided, you need to log in with that. So to fill and log the choice of colleges and courses, candidates have to log in by entering the CET number. The allotment of seats will be based on the selection of the courses and colleges by the candidates, and the category-wise, course-wise and college-wise seat matrix will be uploaded on the official website very soon. Now, there will be no time limit to the number of options being entered, and also after the first round of seat allotment, the unfilled, surrendered, cancelled or newly added seat will be offered as casual vacancies. The allotment will be the same as the first round. Now, this is what was about the filling and the choice filling and seat allocation process was concerned. Now, some important things that you should note down. After the second round of counseling of KCET, if the seat remains vacant, the unfilled, newly added or cancelled seats will be offered as casual vacancies. So please, at the cost of repetition, do keep it in your mind. And if any candidates fail to produce any of the document verification will not be done for the candidate. So after verification, usually the original documents are returned to the candidates, and the set of photocopies will be retained by the Karnataka Examination Authority. And if document verification does not go well, then you are not able to proceed to the counseling process any further. You are not allowed to do so in the KCET, right? So only eligible candidates after document verification can enter their choices. So please do keep it in mind. Document verification is a very important step of the whole process of counseling. Now, during the first round of counseling for KCET, The seat allotment for special category seats for physically disabled NCC and sports category will be done. Right. So the KCET counseling option entry by the candidates is very important. So once you receive the seat matrix from the government, the option entry will start for the candidates, and the details regarding the categorized, course-wise, and the college-wise availability of seats for allotment will be made on the available on the official website of the KEA, that is Karnataka Examination Authority, in the downloadable and print format. So have a look at that, and only those candidates will be eligible who have gone through their verification by the concerned authorities, and then they will be able to choose from the available list of colleges and courses. So they can also choose from the available seats on display during the option entry step. Candidates are suggested to only go for those options in the discipline in which they are interested and eligible. And so for multiple entry choices, you have to fill up in the same form itself. Now the candidates are also the form for option entry will be displayed on the screen as soon as the candidates enter their preliminary information at the specified URL on the internet. So this is how the step-by-step process you have to follow all through this counseling, and the candidates have to mention the priority number in front of the course of college or college displayed in which they are interested and for which they are eligible as well. So please keep all these points that I've mentioned. They are very important ones, and they need to be noted down by all of you. Now, further ahead in this process, I've made another video on KCET cutoff. Please do refer to it as well. But with regards to the KCET cutoff and its relevance for the counseling process itself, let me tell you a few things. Previous year cutoff ranks are available on the official Karnataka Examination Authority website, and for the reference of the candidates, you can go and have a look at it. Candidates are advised to use the previous year cutoff marks for reference purpose only, and they should not draw any other inference. Just for your own reference purpose, because you are very much interested in you're writing this exam, you can go and have a look at the official website, and they are just for the reference purpose as clarified by KEA. So candidates are strongly advised against exercising their option entry on the basis of previous year cutoffs. That should not be done. This is what is being recommended by KEA as well. So allotment of seats will be done on the basis of the rank secured by the candidates and the order of options chosen by them through a highly sophisticated software. So please be rest assured, a sophisticated software is actually looking into all of your choices, and allotment is done on the basis of the rank secured by you as well as the order of options chosen by them. So this is automated procedure. You need not worry. It will be free from any human interference. The only thing you need to make sure is that you secure a good enough rank that will actually help you secure an admission of your choice. Now, the counseling process and admission real seat allotment takes place. The government will issue the seat matrix for each of the course, college and category to be available on the official website, and the final seat allotment will be conducted in 3 rounds, where each round will comprise of 3 phases, and each phase consisting of a number of iterations. Now, documents required for KCET counseling, let me enumerate them for you before I draw this video to a close. The following documents would be required. One will be obviously the printout of the original KCET 2021 application form, original copy of the challan as proof of payment for the form, proof of payment of the fee, that is for the counseling process itself. 10th standard mark sheet, 12th standard mark sheet obviously are required. Study certificate signed by concerned officer, and 2 recent passport size photographs, preferably the ones that you have submitted at the time of filling up the application form. Then KCET 2021 admit card for the examination will also be required alongside all these documents that I've just named. And medical certificate for the physically persons with disabilities will be required as well, and valid caste certificates, SC, ST or other reserved category candidates. So this was all that you needed to tell about the counseling process, which is a very long drawn process. Please be very clear about it. But first you need to secure a good rank, then only all this will be relevant for you. Thank you so much. And before I draw this video to close, I would request you to please subscribe to the Test Prep Card channel and watch all those other videos, especially the ones I made for the KCET examination, for providing you all the information such as the application process itself, the cutoff marks, the various colleges, and everything that you need to know about the Karnataka Common Entrance Test conducted by the Karnataka Examination Authority. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best once again for the upcoming examination.